Hi everyone, my name is Medo Hamdani, and today I just want to share with you the progress of Track Rent, which is an app that I'm working on or developing to help landlords or the managers of any house or flat to keep a record of all the tenants in it. So first of all, I'm writing this here called building an Android tenants app. Okay, I just explained whole story. Probably further I will adjust that. This is the link, the Figma link, okay, but most likely even if you open it they will ask you to get an access, so if you can share the email with me and I will just send it to you. Okay, I have made a good progress. By the way, this app, a similar app does exist in Google Play, under the name of Tenant Rental Record. I tried to contact the person who developed the app, but he didn't reply. So here we go. I'm trying to build the app. I'm building the app. So let me show you here. This is probably like what I just built. This is not active yet. This is the home menu, rooms. For flats, I want to have the small tiny label here, like on the side, to be this is like premium if you want to include flats. But for rooms, just gonna be a light version or free one. And here, generate Excel sheet data. We will talk about this probably later. And here about us. So this is already active. Okay. Here home. Here tenants. Okay. Well, in tenants, what I want to have or to appear here is the list of probably like probably the first or the initial name of a person. Okay. Settings, I want to have the languages to be like English and Arabic, both, or different languages, doesn't matter. But we'll see what kind of other details I can add here. Here it is just I just made this form, name, number, but the thing is I just filled it up and clicked create tenant detail, but once I submit here, I want it to be directly to be created in here, to show up in here. So I'm working on this. I don't know how to do it yet, but I'll see what can I do. That's why I'm sharing this video with you. Yeah, let's go to here. So here, let me just see. So as you can see, this is the mockup for the file in Figma. Okay. Well, this is so this is the line that I wanted to do as premium. For generating Excel sheet, that's I wanted to, like, once I click it, a pop-up message gonna just appear and tell me which room do you want this Excel sheet to be generated. So, and then I also select probably, or I'll just input room 1 R1. Okay, and then it will just list down from which date to which date. So it will be like a data, like I'll show you an example for that one. Should be alright, but that's probably gonna this is important, so we're gonna do it later. Here, as you can see, I want to include the photo, okay, and I want also to include like R1, but in here it didn't allow me to do it. So if I'm in here, I mean, although in the design, actually I just tried to put the photo or the image picker, but it did not didn't appear. So yeah. What else? What else? So this is here. Okay. Let me see. I have done the about us. Okay. Sorry. About us is good actually, really. I have tested all the links: LinkedIn, Facebook page, Instagram page, email. Rate the app. Probably if we going to publish it to Google Play. As far as I know, it was costing around $25 per year. I'm not sure about if that changed or not, but I want to know if I can link it to something called Firebase, and I want to know, like, now for the data, where it's going to be saved, and if possible, if you can like share with me what kind of questions, or what kind of if you have any ideas or suggestions or improvement, or what kind of things I also should consider. Like, to be honest with you, in settings, I don't know what else should I add. Like, to be honest, it just feels like what else can be added into settings. Like, probably a button to just clear the what do you call it, cache or delete the data, all of it. Doesn't make sense, but yeah. Yeah, in here as well, I got a question. See, now, for Adalo, the welcome page, it does not appear. It just I don't know, where is it. Just I want someone when, yeah. So it didn't appear. I don't know why. So we just gonna discuss that later. These two, the sign up and login, it's good, but is there any way to just hide them? Like, especially when I test the app, I just want to hide them. I don't want them to appear. To be honest with you, I mean, they're not necessary. I mean, like, what would I do with the data? Like, I mean, I want the person to generate that. Just use the app, not to sign up. It's not Facebook. So yeah. So like, I don't know. Should I click here? So there should be like a hide. There is no hide, or it's not visible. So I just want to hide the whole screen, but it's not there. So yeah. Anyhow, we will see that. So just I mean, you see where it's going, right? So it would be great to know that. Let me search for link. What I want. Who's that? Excel sheets. Okay. Spreadsheet. Google Sheets. Yep. Yep, there we go. So I'm just gonna show you an example. Okay, so yeah, so this is what I wanted to be appearing like this. So see, like, name, but not always kind of details. Most likely to be this and that. And one important thing. Okay, now in Excel there's a very good feature which is like, you do this, okay, and see, like B9 plus 7. Okay, so this is probably weekly, and there are other tenants who pay probably fortnightly, which is every 2 weeks, some of them monthly. So here I want to include in here, yep, I want to include an option which is a period from to. Okay, so if I select from, let's say, probably I'll add another option here, like type of period, probably if it's going to be weekly. So I want it automatically. If I select here, for example, like let's say if I select in here, where are we here, about us, around where tenants, right? Yeah, here. So if I select, let's say let's say 1st of September, okay. So, and since the type there, if I'm gonna add a type like weekly, I want this to be automatically changed to 7th of September. That's will save time. Yeah, I mean, and one more thing, this is for Adalo, or if any one of the staff they listen to me. Every time, I mean, like, to be honest with you, I'm using Samsung Galaxy Fan Edition, which is, it's not in here. Okay, fine, yes. So every time I'm just gonna put it for Galaxy S20, which is an Android version. Every time I do some I do some editing in here, okay, it will I'll have to refresh, right? What's gonna happen, it's directly gonna send it back to iPhone. So, well, you guys like iPhone, I personally don't like it, but this is just an opinion. I'm into, like, more into what do you call it, open source software. So because I believe open source software will be the next new thing. You know, you have Blinda, you have Bubble, you have you know, all these kind of things. No more of these paid ones. But never mind. This is an opinion. So let's just focus on the core here. So that's it for now. Yeah, any help will be really appreciated, and just let me know if there is anything in the comments so we can further discuss about this. Thank you. This is Medo Hamdani, and take care. Bye bye.